Hi, I'm Cameron, the Baby Einstein Remaker, founder of this YouTube channel. For more information about my videos similar to Baby Einstein, visit my channel, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications to show your support. Enjoy the show. Our first Baby Einstein puppet is my very first Legends and Lore Baby Einstein puppet from Baby Shakespeare. It's Bard. Wait just 1 minute there. You know being the only puppet in Baby Shakespeare isn't fair, so let's introduce you to the next one, shall we? It'll have a satisfying feeling between you and me. The next puppet I have is the Kids 2 Bard puppet, also from Baby Shakespeare. Huh? Yup. Whoa, stop! Legends and Lore Bard has an idea.
Huh?
Now that the two bards each have their own thing, they're in luck, and therefore they gave each other a big hug. The next puppet I have is the Pavlov the dog puppet from Kids 2. Oh, hold on a second, here comes another one. Here's the Jane the monkey puppet, also from Kids 2. The two puppets couldn't decide which of their movies had better animals to see. Therefore, they decided to have a little discussion of their own. Whoa, hold on. I said a little discussion of your own. What are you two doing? Stop! What are you doing? That's not how you're supposed to have a discussion. What are you doing? Stop! Why, I said stop! Never mind. Let's move on to part 3. I'm sorry you all had to see this. Okay, now that we got that little ruckus out of the way, the next puppet I have is the pre-Disney Vincent Van Gogh puppet from Legends and Lore. Wait a minute, I think I can hear something. No. Could it be? Yes! It's the homemade red-nosed Rudy the Reindeer puppet from Baby Santa's Music Box. Vincent was so intrigued by Rudy's dancing, he had an idea of them both dancing together. entertaining. Alright, let's move on to the next one, shall we? Okay, well, since we enjoyed that show, the next puppet I have here is the Kids 2 Nathan the Horse puppet from On the Go. Nathan sees someone on the cover that is similar like him. Well, let's introduce you to the next one, shall we, Nathan? So here he is. So the next one is the homemade Monet the Purple Zebra puppet from Baby Monet. Monet decides that maybe he and Nathan can go and take a look at the Four Seasons. But Nathan prefers to go on a vehicle ride. He had no idea, but so both puppets want to do both things differently. Nathan has an idea of how they can both go on together. Nathan has an idea that maybe, so what was your suggestion, Nathan? Oh, you thought that, that you decided that maybe you and Monet can go and take a look at the seasons while riding a car. Okay, well, that is a good idea. So I guess, now that the two puppets decided on what thing they could do together, they decided to go and get ready. Well, I guess that went to a good agreement. All right, now let's go to the last part. Okay, well, since Nathan and Monet are getting ready to go, the next puppet I have is the Kids 2 Wellington the Cow puppet from Baby McDonald. Wait a minute, I think I hear some water splashes. Wait, I think it could be... It is! This is the homemade Neptune the Turtle puppet from Baby Neptune. Neptune the Turtle thinks that maybe Wellington the Cow and him, Neptune the Turtle thinks that maybe he and Wellington can go swimming together. You don't want to go swimming? Wait, is it because you can't swim? Okay, well, what do you want to do then? Okay, well, I think maybe I know what you're thinking, Wellington. You're thinking that maybe you and Neptune can have some grass for meals, right? Okay, well, maybe, yeah. Wellington thinks that Neptune and Wellington can go around and eat some grass at the farm. You don't like grass, Neptune? Okay, well, I think maybe I have an idea on how you can both have something. Maybe you guys can have a satisfying meal. So, I know turtles like some salad. Maybe we can, wait, do you like seaweed salads? Okay, then maybe Wellington and Neptune can have a delicious meal of some grass and some seaweed salad. Grass for Wellington and seaweed salads for Neptune the turtle. Okay, well, that satisfies it. It looks like they're now going to go have some lunch. Alright, well, enjoy your meals.